Step 1. Download template and mockup files. Go to mercheyes.com. Use the search box to find the pull-out photo box. On the product page, under the Template and Mockup tab, you can find the link to download the template and mockup file. There are two template versions for two types of pull-out photo box, vertical and horizontal. Choose the one you need and download it to your device. Step 2. Open template file on Photoshop or Photopea. Now, we will use Photopea to create our design. Go to photopea.com, drag and drop the template to Photopea's workspace. Pull out photo box template explained. This template has 15 sections. The photo box lid section is where you put the design to print on the box lid, and the other 14 sections are where you place your print photos. The image numbers represent the order in which the photos will appear when you pull out the box lid. You can arrange photos in the order you want them to appear. The safe zone area is marked by this green dashed line. You must keep your designs within the green safe zone lines to ensure everything looks neat. Step 3. Create designs. To insert your design, click on File on menu and choose Open and Place to select your design from your computer. Or you can drag your design to this template. To move your design, use the Move tool or press V. To resize your design, use the Free Transform tool or hold Alt-Ctrl-T or Ctrl-T in Photoshop. Then drag the corner of the design to adjust the size. Once you finish filling the template, turn off all guide layers and save this file by holding down Ctrl-S. Step 4. Export your print file. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include on your printed design. Now, you can save your file. On Photopea, click on File, select Export As and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a Copy, and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. Generate mockup images with our mockup files. Step 1. Download mockup files. From the same template and mockup link, open the mockup folder and download the PSD files for either the horizontal or vertical version. Step 2. Open mockup files on Photoshop or Photopea. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files on Photoshop or Photopea. Step 3. Add your design to mockup. After opening the mockup file, look to the right side of your screen. You will see the layer panel, mockup sections explained. There are 4 main groups: artwork, photo box interior, photo box exterior. Artwork is where you place your design. Photo box exterior group includes mockup versions that show only the exterior of the wooden box when it's closed. Photo box interior group includes mockup versions that show the photos inside. First, see the Place Your Design Here layer under the artwork group here. Double-click on the layer thumbnail to open Smart Object in a new tab. When the new tab appears, on the layer panel, turn off 1C layer and turn on Guide layer to see the detailed template. If you've already created your own print design file with this template, just drag your file and fill this template with the design file saved from before, or you can make your design from scratch just like what we have done in the previous section. Once you finish filling this template, turn off Guide layer and save this Smart Object by holding down Ctrl-S. Close this tab and come back with our mockup file. Now you will see your design has been adopted to this mockup. Step 4. Select Mockup Options. To reveal a mockup option, you must turn off all the groups and layers stacked above that you don't want to select. For example, if you want to use photo box interior mockups, you must turn off the photo box exterior group, and under the photo box interior group, if you want to choose an option, you must turn off other options that you don't want to use. Step 5. Save your mockup file. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, now you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.